Good day, no home. I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome to BMW 3 Series. This time, I'm gonna talk about offside, nearside. Once you go to your yearly inspection, you are reading something like this: successfully worn nearside front, worn nearside front, low offside, incorrect nearside. For normal humans, offside, nearside, what the heck is that? What on the car is nearside? What's nearside? Near your balls, near your ass, near your first headlight, or near your bumper? What near? Close to near what? Now I'm gonna explain you, but to show you a good example, this workshop won't be good enough. Let's move outside. Woo! Now, as you can see, I have parked on the side of the road. Here's the side of the road, there's the other side. One is near side and one is offside. Near side is closer to the pathway, the path where the people are walking. That's near side. Offside is what's closer to the middle line and to the opposite direction. So cars are coming from that way and cars are going that way. So this is offside, where the driver is. Where the driver is sitting, that's offside. Where the passenger is sitting and it's closer to the curve, where the wheel is closer to the curve, that's near side. If we go to the back, it will be exactly the same. Now, top quiz for everyone. Which is near side, which is offside? That side, closer to the curve, where people are walking, is near side. Closer to the middle of the road is offside. Simple. If you like the video, of course, smash that like button. If you like the Willenmobile, smash even bigger like button. Subscribe, share the videos you like, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye!